And now, the unboxing segment. This is the segment dedicated to the unboxings of phones, tablets, watches, or any hardware device having to do with Android. And now, here's this episode's unboxing. Hi, from Blind Android Users Podcast, this is unboxing the Pixel Watch 3. I got a 45mm watch and I'm glad Google has two sizes this year. The last couple ones that I got were just a little too girly for my liking and I never wore those. Sorry girls, I love you guys, but I kind of prefer them a little bit on the bigger side. So here I am with my Pixel Watch 3 that I just got, and I'm going to be unboxing that. And this is the 45mm one as I indicated, and it's the LTE version. Got it right here, and I'm going to get into the box. It's going to be a brief description of it and all of that, and simply just a quick unboxing. Nice, easy to open. There we go. Open the box. That's the shipping box, and the box that it comes in is reminiscent of the Pixel 9 series, where the box has another little thing that you need to pull out of, but it seems this one has a little tab on it as well. So I'm going to pull that tab off. There we go. And then I should pull this off. There we go. And now we've got two tabs on either side, and I just pull it out. So I pull out the first box on one side, and I'm gonna pull out the other little thing on the other side. So basically you've got two sides, two compartments. Pull one off from one side and the other one from the other side. This side has the watch. Oh, that's a big boy. And this side here, I believe, is containing the charger and the band and all of that. All right, after the watch though, I'm not worried about the band right now. I'm gonna just take the watch out and take a little quick tour here. Wow. All right, I got the watch out and it does not have the band on. And unlike the previous ones that already has the band, in other words, it means you'll have to put on the band. This is beautiful. I like it. It's big enough, and yet I think it's not quite big enough for me. I wish it were as big as the one that you have from the Mop Boy, the TicWatch guys. But it's big enough, bigger than what we have. And it has a crown, that's a rotating crown. And then to the left of that is that side key. And that's all that we have. I'm going to try to turn it on. I hope it has enough power. And to turn it on, you basically press in the crown. That's what I just did. Gonna wait and see if I hear any chimes, and you can feel where the band would go. So I hope it'll be easy to put on the band. I'll talk about that in my review if I do a review. I'm waiting to hear the chime because that's the key, is to wait until you hear the chime. Then you will triple tap on that side key to enable accessibility. So far though, I haven't heard any chime, and it could be that maybe it's low power, but I can see a little bit and I can see that it's still spinning. So we'll give it a little bit of a time, and then when it makes that chime, which I'm almost positive it would because the other previous models, that's watches 1 and 2, did the same thing. I don't think this one would be any different. So I'm waiting to see if it makes that chime. For some reason though, the screen has gone off, which tells me Oops, there we go. There's our chime that I was waiting for. So again, you always want to make sure that you have that chime before you try triple tapping on that side key to enable accessibility. And now I'll triple tap on that side key. I felt a vibration and I heard a little talkback sound.
Talkback on. Welcome to Talkback. When Talkback is on, the focused item on the screen.
Okay, you can hear the sound.
Close tutorial button. Finish reviewing. You can come back to the tutorial anytime in Talkback settings.
I don't know if I'm covering the sound, but I don't like how it sounds.
Finish button. Permission request. Allow Android Accessibility Suite to make and manage phone calls. Heading.
Alright, so basically that's just the
Allow button. Double tap to act. Setup. Unlabel. Double tap to activate.
There we go. It's on the button that says unlabel.
Choose watch language, image.
So here we choose language.
Unlabel. Double tap to activate.
And that unlabel, I'll tap and see what happens.
Unlabel. Afrikaans Namibi button. Double tap to activate.
Oh, actually that takes me to the languages. So we got Afrikaans.
Azerbaijan, Basanski, Bosna, Azerbaijan, Afrikaans, English, United States button.
I swipe backwards, so I'm going to tap on English, United States.
Setup. On your phone, download and open.
So basically telling me to download and install the Wear OS app.
Google Pixel Watch.
Alright, so I got my Pixel 9 here, and I'm going to grab my Pixel 9. And
finger device unlocked. Home. Home on top. Pixel Watch 3 on bottom. Pixel Watch 3. Pixel Watch 3. Except
as soon as I turn on my phone and it sees it and wants me to connect to it.
Connect button.
And I tap.
Connecting to Pixel Watch 3. Confirm PIN. Confirm PIN.
Okay, and it says confirm the PIN. And on the watch,
687,674.
600 whatever, so let me see.
687,674.
Yep, and at the bottom,
confirm. Connecting to Pixel Watch 3.
Setup.
Watch.
Pairing
Nearby
success.
devices
Image.
permission. Heading. Watch on top. Allow Google Pixel Watch to find connect to and
Pairing
determine the
success.
relative position of nearby devices. On bottom. Allow.
yeah,
Don't allow.
I'll allow.
Allow.
Pairing success.
Watch. Connecting to your watch.
And
Heading.
I hear the watch saying pairing
Continue
success
on phone.
and telling me
Continue on phone.
to continue
Sign
on
into
the
your
phone.
Google account. Heading.
And here is where you sign into your account and all of that, and just follow the prompts and finish setting up. That will be the quick unboxing of the watch, and like I said, when I have some time, I'll do a little review of the watch. Thank you so much.